Okay, welcome back and good morning. It's a great Sunday morning in here, and I just had some time before my kids woke up, and I wanted to use this time in order to continue developing in this game, in this WebGL game. So let's just start it and let's see what I can do today and where I left, because where I left in the previous session, because I remember that I had some bugs, a little small bugs, while working on this chapter 2 collectibles to moving on this level, around the path. So let's start by fixing these errors. Chapter 2 collectibles paths should not be over each other. Red ones are overlapping each other, which causes to disabling both of the cubes. So the same colors should not overlap each other. Okay, I enable. Here we are, and the red ones are overlapping each other. Here is the problem. The easy solution probably will be to change the movement of these cubes. Like this and like that. So how about the green? Now the green ones are overlap each other. Okay, you go here, and let's say you will be here. And this guy goes over here. So you go over, and how about a yellow one to here? So this is looking good. And let's try to see. Let's see that if that's working or not. Red and the yellow one is overlapping each other. Okay, chapter 2. Okay, what is the reason for you to overlap? This is your target position, and your target position is that one. Your target position is that one. Those should not overlap each other. Oh, probably. Okay, I understand my problem. Because of this position in chapter 2. Because of the start positions. The reason for the one, and let's see. Let's find search 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5.5. Okay, how about manually changing this value to this? And manually change. This is the second value, and this is the third value. New game, same manager, chapter 2. Okay, this is looking good. Next. So what is the reason for this? Touch object, it's slider. What is touch object? It's null. Touch object is null. Why this touch object is null? This is inside weapon sensor. Disable touch objects, digest. It's called inside digest. Okay, this is also no. Run this to after touch object. Okay, where is this line? Touch object name. Okay, first this digest button is called when I press digest, but this button is called twice. Why does this button is called? Second one. Okay, it looks like when I press this digest button, the digest button logic is called twice. But this guy just has only one trigger over digest button. So do I have two digest buttons? No. So why does this thing is called twice when I press the digest button? Okay, only enable is called twice. No, it should not. Set the digest button to true all listeners. Yeah, okay, this trick save me more time, and I'm getting rid of Job, you successfully used the right enzymes to break down all the nutrients. That's great. But now I see another problem. Let's just play the game from the beginning. Grab this, drop this, grab this, drop this, protein, grab this, drop this, carbohydrate, grab, drop. I need fats. Yes, I need protein. Yes, I need protein. Where is the fat? Yes, little. Digest, and let's change this thing to digest. Okay, something is wrong with chapter and positive. And chapter 3 GUI, chapter 2 GUI. 2 chapter and positive, 2 chapter and positive. So what are the difference? 20, 130. Okay, this line is missing. Was it headline is here. I'm guessing that now my problem will be solved by adding this line. Next. Come on, browse amylose. Yes, the problem is resolved right now. So let's find my to-do list, and yes, I managed to resolve this thing. Chapter 2 collectibles after collected journeys and on reference server. This thing is also resolved. If player crashes with the opponent, no penalty should be applied. In chapter 4. Okay, let's play with chapter 4 also. By the way, I also have a problem with the level start scene in this section, because as you can see, when I press play, nothing appears over here, and no next button and nothing. I also needed to resolve that section. By the way, the dialog box retain time on screen should be lengthened. Okay, this is already resolved. When object is grabbed, move button is pressed, dialog box fades out. This thing is already fixed, but issues I should be taking care of is in level first interaction. Buttons are not appear in the beginning. Also, for the second problem, yes, level start text does not appear when the game in play mode. Also, there is no continue button at the beginning. Should be updated. Okay, this is also fixed. Now let's just start with this section. Input GUI, new game canvas. No, not this one. Welcome balloon. Text. The game text. Welcome text. Okay, the text is here, but not over here. Why can't I see the text? Okay, chapter tutorial. Welcome balloon is balloon text. How about now? New game. Yes. Okay, this was my problem, because I mistakenly overlay each welcome balloons on each other. That's why it looks like I cannot see the welcome text, because this was left behind the other section. Let's just save the scene, and this thing is fixed. So let's focus on this chapter 4 game. Go to save manager, go to our chapter 4. Penalty. No penalty should be applied. Okay, let's find my opponent or the character. I'm not really sure where the penalty is located. Penalty applied. If penalty is applied, how about not setting card input vector to 0, but Spline follower following speed to opponent. Okay, opponent. Applied to set disable movement. Speed penalty applied false. Okay, how did I change the boolean value of this penalty applied? Penalty correctness true, apply penalty with duration. Okay, this penalty is the result of heat matter, and I do not want this penalty. Player limit player speed to opponent speed to pure speed. And how about speed? Let's try this way. Right now, if the player touches the opponent, if it crashes with the opponent, this should limit the speed value of the player to the opponent's speed value. Okay, let's just apply penalty. Okay, something is wrong. On trigger enter opponents. Player just hit the opponents with current speed of plus current speed. The opponent's speed is 4, but my character speed is 5. How about using an on trigger stay? Trigger stay in here instead of okay, this is looking promising. When I touch with player, it stays on the same value. I like it. So let's find our to-do list and remove this line also. Level start text does not appear in the levels. This is not level start text, but interaction buttons. Interaction buttons does not appear. Game in play mode. By the way, both of my kids are awake right now, and I needed to take care of one of the babies, because her voice is come from the kitchen right now. So that's all for today, and I hope to continue on this today also, or maybe tomorrow, but more or less the game looks ready, and from now on I needed to probably add some effects and upload it for version 1 control. And thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. See you, bye.